Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Craft Artist. So today I am showing you how to make an envelope, but before like, share and subscribe my channel. Enjoy the video. So first we need a square color sheet and a square A4 sheet and paste it like this. So I paste it. Now we need to do it like this. Hold it and now open it, and now do it like this. Now we need to fold it like this. Like this. Now we need a pencil and make a mark like this and cut it. Cut it like this. And now fold it again and do it like this. And now fold it like this. Both sides. And paste like this. Now we need a square paper and fold it like this and like this. Open it and cut like this. And cut like this. Don't cut it first, cut it half like this. And now do it like this and like this. Do it. Okay. Now apply glue like this. Do it like this. Like this. Now cut the shape like this and like this. Now we need to cut a piece like this and paste it on the bowl like this. Now we need a marker and mark it like this. Do it from here like this. Same way at both sides. Now make any design you want. So I like this design. I will make it all the sides. And now paste the bow here. So our envelope are ready. If you enjoy my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Follow me on Instagram, link in description.